Hi guys, and welcome to week 2 of Arts and Humanities. This week we have a project due, and that's why I wanted to address first about this video. Now, our project basically is a short paper, but it has two parts. And although the project is presented in two parts, please make sure to present your paper in correct essay form, which means that you need an introduction, you need a thesis statement, you will need transitions between your paragraphs. Do not or try to avoid presenting the paper as part 1 and part 2. One of the ideas is learning how to create a coherent whole with our writings. But with that said, there are two parts to the paper. The first part is that I ask you to go around your neighborhood to kind of take a field trip and to look around for a piece of architecture that interests you. It could be a church, it could be a shopping center, it could be many different things. I don't care what it is, but something that captures your imagination. And I want you to apply the information you have learned about architecture from our textbook to this piece that you find in your surrounding areas. Now, do try to do a few things. First of all, try to find out, you have to name the building. You have to say basically what type of building it is. And if it's possible, try to find the architect. One thing you can do if it's a famous building in your local area is that chances are there might be some kind of internet information on it. Do some research. And then present all the information that you can about that piece of architecture. Now, part 2 is I ask you to find a piece of art that engages you. And just like the piece of architecture, I want you to look very specifically at who the artist was, when it was created, what is the style of the creation of the art itself. Is it a piece of painting? Is it an is it a sculpture? Is it, what type of art is it? And present it in a very complete way. And again, this is just a very short paper, approximately 750 words long, but make sure that you have all the information in there, everything cited correctly, and a works cited page at the end. So that's your first project. Don't sweat too much. I always give people a break on their first projects, okay? And the second thing I ask you to do this week is to answer one discussion question. And this, of course, is on art as well. And we are going to examine art just like we do in the project. We're going to look at a piece of art and we're going to explore that art. Who did this piece of art? What type of style is the art done? When was the art done? What does it say about the culture of the society at the moment the piece of art was done? What is your personal and emotional connection to that piece of art? Explore that as well, and then we will get together and talk about it. So that's one project due this week and one discussion question due this week. Remember, there is no seminar this week as Martin Luther King Day, so enjoy. Take it easy. Bye-bye.